Give me a cue, dude. Behind the scenes.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to go through the basics of setting up the image on your Optoma projector. We're going to go through placement, zoom focus and lens shift, and some of the image adjustments within the menu system. In today's setup, our screen is already mounted and we're placing the projector on a tabletop for front projection. But most of what I'm going to show you is applicable to any projection orientation, be it tabletop, ceiling mount, front or rear projection. So first we want to get our lens as close to the horizontal center as we possibly can. We can use the elevator feet to level the projector and ensure we have a straight image. Next, we use our zoom to make our image fairly close to the size of our screen, and then we'll use the focus ring to make sure the image is clear. After that, if we have lens shift, we'll find our vertical position, and then find our horizontal position to center the image. Sometimes a projector's features don't allow us to optically shift the image. If this is the case, then we'll have to use some geometric correction to digitally alter the image. Nearly all Optoma projectors have vertical keystone adjustment, and some of the more advanced models will have horizontal keystone adjustment or even four-corner adjustment. So let's have a look at what those do for us. If the projector is tilted up or down, the top or bottom of the image will be wider than its opposite. Vertical keystone adjustment will correct this by digitally altering the image. This is similarly true of horizontal keystone adjustment, which corrects the image when the projector is placed off-center and then rotated left or right to fit the screen area. And four-corner adjustment allows us to adjust each corner independently. And that's pretty much it for basic projector setup. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at OptomaUSA.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.